If you have a gas dryer and it's not heating, the most likely part that failed is the igniter. Here's everything about gas dryer igniters. What the igniter does: it's a small ceramic bar or round element that glows orange hot. When it reaches the right temperature, it triggers the gas valve to open. Gas flows, hits the hot igniter, and lights. The flame heats the air. Why it fails: the igniter weakens over time. It still glows but doesn't reach the temperature needed to trip the gas valve. The dryer runs but no heat is produced because gas never flows. How to tell: set the dryer on high heat and start it. Look through the small opening at the bottom front or open the bottom panel. You should see the igniter glow bright orange and then hear the gas valve click open. If it glows for more than 90 seconds without gas igniting, the igniter is too weak. Cost: the igniter part costs $20 to $50. With professional installation, $150 to $250 total. Common part numbers: Whirlpool 279311 flat igniter. Samsung DC47-00022A round igniter. GE 04X259997. LG Me 618411401. Important safety note: never bypass or modify a gas igniter or gas valve. The safety system exists to prevent gas leaks. A weak igniter should be replaced, never jury-rigged. Gas dryer igniter replacement. OEM parts. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.